Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for the likes and subscription. I'm here again, and thank you so much for watching. Today, I'm going to make a modern painting. So modern, that means you can do whatever you like to do. You can pour your painting on the canvas. You can turn it upside down. You can just do whatever. It's like a freestyle painting. Today I'm going to just mix different colors, and please follow me. I'll show you. I'll see you in a little bit. These are what I use, the colors. Okay, my friends. I use the plates. It's freestyle, so you can do whatever you like to do. And I have to use combination of you can do whatever you like to do. I just do the layout first, so because of the size of this is a string size canvas, so see, my friends, it's a little bit better now, so maybe you can tell this look like a painting now. See, freestyle painting, you can do whatever you want to do. Earlier, you can hardly tell because I just started, but now it's a little bit better, right? Sometimes I use a smaller brush, but if you're lazy to wash it all the time like me, I use the same brush. And if I need smaller than that, then I'm gonna use the smaller brush. So freestyle art, right? You can do whatever you like to do. In some areas I like to use thicker, whatever you think's in your mind, and you can do whatever you think it you like to paint. So I will let this dry for a day or two, and after that I'm going to spray this with varnish, and after that I'm ready to sign. That's good enough for me today, and if you like, please give me a comment or subscribe and like. I would appreciate it so much, okay? After I get the signature, I will show it to you. Okay, have a good day. Have a nice day wherever you are. And see you in my next painting. Thank you so much, and you have a good afternoon. Thank you.